When Francois NARS created Orgasm, he wanted a shade that everyone could wear. With Orgasm, you see more of that golden, beautiful highlight. With Orgasm X, you see more of those deep, richer blush tones. When using Orgasm, I like to place the color on the apples of the cheek to really bring out the beautiful gold flecks. Orgasm's that perfect balance of pink peach with that golden shimmer. On deep skin tones, I love putting Orgasm on the high points of the cheek. I recommend using a tapered brush for placement. Orgasm X is a more intense version of Orgasm, so when applying it against fair complexion, use a lighter hand. When applying Orgasm X, I like to apply it in the same position as Orgasm. With this shade, you're seeing more of the flush tone against her skin rather than the more golden tones of Orgasm. With Orgasm X, you're seeing more of a deep hue, which is why you can use this in the lower part of the cheek. For maximum intensity with Orgasm X, use a dense brush and apply a generous amount of pressure. Remember, as Francois NARS says, there's no rules when it comes to makeup.